If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat screen size, you've come to the right place. So if we'll open our Snapchat, for example, on this page here, we can see that in the top of the screen, in the bottom of the screen, I have some black lines. So how can we basically fix this problem? What's wrong with Snapchat? So firstly, don't worry, you're not alone with this problem, because a lot of users have it. It's not on our side, it's on the side of Snapchat. So in order to fix this problem, we need to follow these steps I'll show in this video. So firstly, we need to open the App Store and here search for Snapchat. So on the Android, you need to open, of course, Google Play or something like this. And on this page here, just simply open the Snapchat app and make sure that you have the latest version. So if you have the update button, click on upgrade or update, and you need to download the latest version basically, because sometimes they're trying to fix it, they're trying to fix their bugs. And if you don't have a latest version, you'll have the ability to meet this problem. And the other thing, if you have basically the latest version and you still have these basically black lines at the top of the screen and the bottom of the screen, don't worry once more, cause it doesn't affect your quality of your photos, of your snaps. So everyone will be able to see them in full resolution, nothing will happen. And we can try to fix it on the other way. We can go to our profile here and in the right top corner, just hit on the settings icon. Then we need to scroll down to find a support area, and here we need to click on I need help. So after that, we'll come to the next page where we need to basically find the shortcut. We need to click on using Snapchat, the first icon here. And here we can click on creating snaps, for example. The aim of this way, we need to contact Snapchat support team. So we need to click on create snaps. Let it be taken snaps, for example, and here we can click on the any reason. For example, can I use dual camera? If it's not supported by my device, doesn't matter. And was this article helpful? Click on no, and here we need to click on submit. So now we have options to contact them. We need to click on contact us, choose any stuff here. I found a bug, still need help, yes. And then we need to choose the camera. Here we need to click on quality of photo of videos and let it be, for example, color overlay. And now we need to wait for a little. And here we have the form where we can submit our report. We need to input username, mobile number, email, and the device, which is really important. So after that, we need to describe our problem. We need to write something like this. I want to fix my screen size. I have a device like iPhone 11, for example. Please help me fix it by yourself. So after that, click on submit. And your submit will be sent to a Snapchat support team. And probably in some days, they will fix that and will be able to not have this problem anymore. So this is a way of how can we fix a Snapchat screen size. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.